going on, guys? Dylan from Straight Jacket. We just finished up this 2023 G-Wagon with Pure PPF green sage metallic, also with 22-inch by 10 Vossen HFX 1s in the silver polish finish. Tinted all the windows, as well as XPEL's blue windshield film and windshield defense on the top, and a full ceramic coating on the rest of the car.